Hey guys, happy new moon. I'm just out of my shower and I want to share with you the conversation that I had with myself in front of the mirror because I know it's going to be helpful for somebody. So when I was standing in front of the mirror, I was like, few days ago I had a dream wherein it was like certain amount of money that a guy spoke into my mind and told me that it is too much. So like in my family, women are not empowered financially and they are always at the mercy of the man. Okay, so for everything. Now when I stood in front of the mirror right now, I started to have these conversations with me, like, okay, all of these like patterns that I'm in around money or otherwise also in life, around my health, around pleasure and all of that, they are not mine. They have been running in my lineage, all of my mother's line and all of that, and they end with me. I was looking at myself in the eye and then I started to tell myself that I intend to become so comfortable with God's epic generosity. I intend to become so comfortable and at ease with God's epic prosperity, and I was like looking at myself in the eye, and it was like, oh my God, the way my hand started to shake, and then I was just there. I did not run away when all these sensations were coming. I was looking at myself in the eye, and there's this like the entire my body was like pulsing, like boom boom boom, like that. So I wanted to share this with you. Go in front of the mirror, look at yourself, do not run away. Resist the urge to run away when uncomfortable things shows up, because if love and connection and prosperity was not a norm for you in a childhood, it will feel uncomfortable. So resist the urge to run away. Be there, be with those sensations. Yeah, and I was also telling myself, like, this amount is not too much. If this is the exact amount, is very normal for many people. Like, I'm having all these conversations while I'm looking at myself in the mirror, because you gotta, our words, what we say to ourselves matters a lot. For many years, our inner child has given that authority. What mama will tell, what family will tell, what my ancestors, the words that are spoken to our ancestors, they also have subconscious authority over ourselves. But with our words, what we say to ourselves, we break down all these impact of the words that are spoken to us in the past. So reclaim that authority. Reclaim your reclaim the authority over your inner child. And I was also saying that in the mirror, that God has authority, and I also reaffirmed that only God has authority over my life. God, reclaim your authority over my life, all areas of my life, my home, my finances, my kitchen, my business, my social media, my relationship. God, reclaim your authority. And I was like, I looked at myself in the eye and I was like, I gave that authority unconsciously to other people, but I'm disqualifying all those agreements. I'm disqualifying them and I'm handing it over. Every single area of my life, my heart, my mind, my body, everything, my spirit, to higher intelligence only. It leads my life. Yeah. Book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me. Link of that is in the description. Check out my magic paintings. When you keep them around, good energy. Wow.